What's going on, guys? This is Michael Granados. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and explain to you guys how long does it really take to make money with wealthy affiliates. Maybe you haven't joined, maybe you already a partner within wealthy affiliates. You just have questions about it. I know when I first started, this was something that I was blinded by. I wanted to know, when would I make my money? When would I make my return on my investment? And so forth. And in like anything, my answer has always been patience. Okay, you need patience. Many people, including when I first started, wanted to like press the button and be like, "Look, yeah, $100 come in, right on." That's not how this works. So with anything you do online, anything, okay, you have to look at this as a long-term customer acquisition strategy, a long-term traffic strategy, a long-term investment. Okay. Um, what Wealthy Affiliate will teach you is how to organically rank in Google, how to use social media, how to do paid advertising too, how to do so much more. And so they're going to teach you how to build a website, how to do the blogging, how to do videos, and so forth. And most people don't take the time to stick around because they want something that's going to happen in less than a day. This isn't what happens in less than a day. This is something that you accumulate, keyword, over the time, okay? And so I have myself been a victim of this, right? I thought, okay, I can make money right away. Okay, maybe not the first month, maybe the second month. And really it depends on your work ethics. It really depends on how much of a skill set you really want to learn to do this, because you can expedite the process. Just most people don't want to take the time to learn the skills. They seek more opportunities. Be a skill seeker, not an opportunity seeker. When I learned that, when I first started, I was going from blog posts to different people on YouTube, not knowing who to follow, seeing different places out there, and not really connecting with them. And again, there's going to be more information underneath in the description, so you can also see the reviews on Wealthy Affiliate if you haven't seen that. More information on how to get started and my overall affiliate marketing course for free, which you can get access to at any time. And so, like anything, Wealthy Affiliate really teaches you about affiliate marketing, right? Getting people over to your offer over to the people, to the merchants. So and when they purchase something, you get a commission for it. And so, like anything, this model takes time. With time, you're going to see the rewards. If you don't have money and you have the time, Wealthy Affiliate is going to really maximize your potential to earn, okay? If you have money but no time, you probably would be somebody who invests more time into advertising. Yet, if you have money, that doesn't mean you need to go for advertising. You should stick with Wealthy Affiliates. I had both, okay, coming into this. I had time. My situation, not to go far into this, but I had accumulated a savings working at a job that I was very undervalued, very underpaid, with 3+ years of education, trying to seek out more certifications, see what else can happen out there. And then I started doing affiliate marketing through a friend of mine that taught me about it, and did not follow a certain leader, mentors, and didn't do it right. And then I found out that if I took training for this, and I did it properly and I was patient about it, that over time things would start coming together. I would start helping more people, and I would start earning a living, a full-time actual living from this. Didn't go into it with that. I thought, okay, a couple dollars here. Made my first 85 cents from an Amazon sale, and then from there everything else took off. It really is about what you're going to learn through them is really confidence, right? And then skills. Once you learn those two, everything else comes together. It's a snowball effect. And you want to learn those two things. It's really going to help you. How long does it take to earn money? Again, you have to look at this as a long-term investment. You don't want to be here thinking, I'm going to go ahead and get started today, and I'm going to make my first $1,000 the next month, or first $1,000 tomorrow or the next week. This is not a push button. And I also have a video that I'm going to leave below about why affiliate marketing might not be for you, and I have those reasons. And not because it might not be for you doesn't mean it will never be. Just you got to change this. This is the mindset you got to have. I've always had the mindset because I've put in about 10,000 plus hours of this into not school, but not educating myself, but being a soccer player. I come from a Division I background, playing soccer. Played it from the age of 11, even just before, like 9, and up forward competitively. So I put in the time. So this is like anything else. You should put the time to maximize learning an industry, learning something you're passionate, interested, or have a hobby for, and then going with it. Nothing is given. I don't expect that for myself. I've never been that kind of person who's like, give me, give me, give me. I went out there and actually learned everything on my own. I had a mentor. I had mentors. I had people I signed up under that I could ask, and I did at times, but everything I learned on my own without having to ask questions. And if I came across problems, I would ask them. But I really was really resourceful. And if you're resourceful, you plug that in with your skills and you're not seeking opportunities, you're going to start earning. So how long does it take to make money, really? Michael, how long? For me, it took my first 85 cents, I believe it was 85 cents, that I first ever made with an Amazon Associates was about, I want to say 3 months, 4 months, but it also was because I was putting in the time, going through the training and doing this correctly. And then there was times where I didn't see anything, right? Because I kind of stopped. And then once I figured out the right ways of doing this, it took off and I was making sales just about every day, earning thousands over time and then going forward with it. But it's all, I don't want to say it's all on you because I want to help you too. And I don't want you to fail. Doing this, keep in mind that there are going to be bumps and you should expect yourself to fall at times, make those mistakes, but that's all part of the learning. That's all part of the journey. If you don't enjoy the journey of this isn't for you. You know, if you don't enjoy the, I didn't look at my analytics properly. I didn't assess this appropriately. I did not write my content out the way I needed to. Oh, I didn't select the right keyword. It's going to happen. I've had all these things happen to me, but I never, ever, I did not say, okay, I'm going to quit. I had motivation. I had a lot of things at the time when I first started, like why I was doing. Figure out your why, and then everything else will become so much more easier. That's what I help people. And also in my course, I'm going to try to implement more of that if it's not there already by the time you're watching this. But everything is a mindset. Everything is motivation. I remember when I was posting things on Facebook about motivation, I would post things about motivation and stuff and hard work and ethics. So that kind of just was already there. And so I just needed to find a way to do this. And with self-education and education, both backgrounds now, the sky's the limit. Doesn't mean you need both. One or the other is just fine. But be patient, take the time. Remember, you're trying to rank on Google too. You're not here to make one ad that can explode one day and then it doesn't work again ever. Once you put material out there and content out there, it stays forever, right? And that sounds scary because, oh my God, I was like the same way. I was like, oh, I'm introverted. I was always an introvert. Being on camera right now is even, it is the way it is. It's a little scary too for me. But again, I've learned the skills. I've diversified, and I've learned how to communicate with people. You're going to learn that, and those skills are phenomenal to have, regardless of how everything goes. Of course, you want to make money, but when you learn all these skills, it's priceless. It's better. It's even better, I think, than going to a university and spending. I have loans up the butt right now that I have to pay for, but it's all part of the process, and it's something that's going to be overcome in time. And so keep it in mind that, without going farther into this, that this is a process and that you shouldn't expect to push a button and get rich, get quick. Treat this as a business, and it's really going to take off, okay? I didn't think I'd have the business, or even two. Now I have two. And I'll have more information on that below. But I did not think I'd ever turn it into something like that with Wealthy Affiliate. But Wealthy Affiliate has been able to give me the foundation to intermediate to expert skills to go ahead and do this with anything else I need to online in the online space. When you can connect with people, that's what's really going to sell. You know, building your relationship. People buy into people, not into the products. They even buy more into bonuses. And so I help you out with all that. And so once you learn that with Wealthy Affiliate, you're going to be able to learn how to maximize your exposure online and really make an online income. You know, once you have, you know, a hook to get people in your story, and then the offer is good, then the rest of it comes together. So that's all I want to leave you with. And make sure if you have any questions, you leave me one down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go ahead and press that subscribe button with more information. I do everything affiliate marketing and digital marketing as an expert in it. And so, yeah, and if you know, I'm going to have more content underneath and just more about me, you know, how I've done SEO, how I'm Google AdWords certified so I can do PPC very well and ads. How I built a health and wellness niche, even with my mathematical introverted background, and now how I help affiliates. So that's that. And I just want to say thank you for being here, and I will go ahead and talk to you guys at another time.